Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of flip. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about flip and you will enter here. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.